Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Stremio in Android phone. Now to do this, first of all make sure you download the VLC app from your App Store or Play Store. Simply search your VLC and download this VLC player. It will take a few seconds to download. Simply make sure you completely download the player. And once it is downloaded, then go back to your browser and search here Stremio. And let me search it again, Stremio. And from here, make sure you click on Stremio Web. You can see this section just above the download section. Click on Stremio Web. And it will take you to this section. As you can see, streaming server is not available. Install later, don't show again. So just skip it. It doesn't really matter. Simply click on the right side profile icon on the above section. And from here, click on settings. And once you click on setting, make sure you log in with your account. After you log in with your account, scroll down and find this setting option in advanced settings, play in external player. As you can see, this is disabled, so simply choose it and change it to VLC. And make sure after that you reload. And once you reload, you will be able to play Stremio. So that is how you can use Stremio in Android phone.